Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the dark mode features and all the related tips and tricks as well in the Redmi K40 device. As you can see friends, so this is a Redmi K40 and which is also called as the Poco F3 smartphone as well. And right now both phones are having the same kind of specifications and same features. And in this video, let's see what will be the dark mode features and what are the things to know as well about these dark mode features. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Poco F3. You can find all the videos related to the Poco F3 in the description below. So all the links will be available in the description below friends. So you can find the dark mode after going to the settings and go to the display. On the top you will be seeing this dark mode theme, as you can see. So it doesn't take much time, so within fraction of seconds the dark mode will be set, as you can see friends. The process is really speed. When I compare with other smartphones, they do take a couple of seconds extra time in switching between the dark mode and the light mode, but right now I didn't feel any kind of change, any kind of difference as well. It's very fast and smooth. So next is scheduling the dark mode. If you want, you can schedule. So more dark mode options, you do get all the options. You can enable each and every application, so whether you want to have the dark mode or not. So that's another very good advantage friends in terms of having this kind of flexibility. All the applications what are installed in your phone, you can control manually whether to have the dark mode for that application or not. That is a very good features, I would say, definitely. So which will help you a lot in terms of avoiding not good supported dark mode applications. As you can see friends, right now I'm using this application CPU X, I think, which is not dark mode kind of supported. So let me try to show you. So as soon as you disable the CPU X under the dark mode, it will definitely be not displaying the dark mode. As you can see, it's completely normal. So this is a way you can control all these features in this using the dark mode in the Redmi K40 device. You can even access from the top notification panel just by clicking the button. It doesn't take much time as well, as you can see friends here. So it won't take much time to activate as well. That's another good advantage. So these are the few features you will be having in this kind of option. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos as well friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.